In our last lecture, we have finished the assembly module. Now, in this lecture, we will learn how to create a drawing sheet in Catia. First, open a part from here, select part, open. So, here is our part. Now, select the isometric view from bottom toolbar. So, this is the isometric view of the part. Now, go to the start and select drafting option. Here, you will see different views. Select empty sheet, click on modify and make sure ISO standard is selected. Now select a sheet style A3. Change sheet style to portrait or landscape. OK. And click OK. So here is our empty drawing sheet. Now go to view toolbar and select front view. Now go to window. Click on part. Now select a face which you want to make a front view. Select this face and here is our front view. You can also change the view from here or you can rotate the view from here. Now click outside. Now drag the view to place. Now select projection view and drag the cursor in any direction to give a particular view. Left click, again select projection view, left click. So here is our all three views, that is front, left and top view. You can drag the views to place. It will only move in specified direction. But if you select and drag first view, then all view will move. You can also move these annotations. Double click to edit these annotations. Select this text. You can change text parameter from here. You can change text style from here. Change font. There are several other parameters. You can also apply symbols from here. OK. We have this hole, but it is not showing up here for that. For that, select all views by pressing Ctrl key. Right click, select properties and check the parameters you want. Hidden lines, center line. You can also change the scale of views from here. Give 2:1, that is the ratio of views will double. Give 1:2, that is the ratio of the views will get half. Now make it 1:1. Click on apply and OK. Now you can see that all hidden and center lines are visible. Now we will apply dimension to these views. For that, select generate dimension feature. OK. Now you can see that it gives dimension to all the views. Select and drag dimensions to place them. Here we have two same dimension. Select this, right click and delete. You can see that these dimensions are straight. To make it horizontal, select dimension, right click, properties, dimension, go to representation and select two parts, apply and OK. Now you can see that the dimension is in horizontal. Now place them correctly. You can see that the dimension of these two circles are not given. So we need to give manually. Go to dimension toolbar and select radius option. Now select the circle and give radius. This time select diameter option and give diameter to this circle. Select both dimension, properties and make it two parts. So in this way you can give dimension manually to the views. Now select isometric view, go to window, select part. Now select this face and here is our isometric view. You can also change views from here. You can also rotate the view. Click outside. Now drag the view to place correctly. If you want to change the size of the sheet, then select sheet from the design tree, right click, property and change sheet size from here. Select A2. OK. Now adjust the view. We can also apply notes to the sheet using text feature. Write some note. Now press Ctrl and Enter to go for next line. You can double click to edit, select the text, and you can change the style and font from here. OK. So here is our final note. Now we will see how to apply a title block to the drawing sheet. For that, go to Edit, select Sheet Background, and here you will find Frame and Title Block option. Now select any title block, click on Apply and OK. So here is our title block. Double click to edit. Again, go to the working views. So this is our final sheet. Now, if you want to create a new sheet, then select New Sheet option. And here it is. Select Sheet 2 and change the sheet size. OK. Now you can see that sheet size and title block size is not equal. For that, we need to resize title block. Go to the sheet background, select title block and click on resize option. OK. So our title block is resized according to our sheet size. Now go back to the working views. Now open a new part for this sheet. So here is our new part. Go to window and select drawing 1 to go back to drafting. Select front view, go to drafting, go to drawing, select part 2, select this face as front view and assign few other views to this sheet. So here is our sheet 1 and sheet 2. So in this way you can create a drawing sheets in Catia.